So hello guys and welcome back to the traders. As usual, my name is Or, and today I'm gonna give you another three alerts for the upcoming week. But before we get to the point, I must say that this week was a very challenging week, to say the least. It started with Trump talking about the trade war with China and put a tariff on China and everything, and then the market just went down and crashed 4% in, I don't know, 2 days. And the panic was all over the place. People called me and asked, "Oh, what we need to do?" And I tell them, "Listen, it's just panic. It's overreaction. No one wants a trade war. Even Trump, uh, he doesn't want a trade war. If he is a logical guy, and he understands that a trade war with the second largest economy in the world like China, it's not a good thing for the United States companies. So I mean, it was just, we didn't need it, and no one needed it. So then after the market went down for like as I said 4% in 2 days, it's now start to recovering because Trump tweets, or even the government said that it might continue the discussion with the Chinese and everything. So we have like optimistic, let's say carefully optimistic, and people are understanding that this crisis, or let's say this trade war, was just let's say a craziness of Trump. So I hope we can continue this upward momentum, this upward trend, and that's why, because I think that nobody wants the trade war. The market uh, might continue up, but of course I'm very very conservative. I don't want to trade a bigger size. I don't want to trade let's say over trading. I just want to be very very cautious and careful, because these days are just, it has no rationality, and all the things are just panic, and people are just doing everything with emotion and not by the mind. So I really think and hope that the market can go higher, let's say 2 or 3% in the 3 4 days. um, this is my assumption, this is my opinion, but of course I cannot know, and if the market will go down, I'll put my shorts accordingly. But this week I have another three longs for the week. So let's start from the first one. The first one, as you can see, it's GBT, GBT Global Blood Therapeutic. It's medicinal manufacturing, and of course it's pharma. You can see it really crossed below this support, and it made a good green candle. If it can really break out this resistance, then we might see it coming back to 50 or 51. Of course, this is the thing I like to see. I like to find bounces, and of course bounces with a lot of, you see, 1 2 3 4 5 times support over here. So if we can break this level of 48.26, this is my alert, 48.26, then we can see it going to 50, 51, 52. This is my first GBT above 48 and 26 cents. This is the first one. The second alert for this week is W. Wafer made a nice two red candles with a volume, and now it started picking up and picking it up to let's say 170. It's a really good opportunity for like 7% up. This thing I think can go to 170 and maybe we can see even 120 in the next week. So my alert for W is 110 and 86 cents. Looks good. Again, here we have 1 2 3. It looks like a strong level, and if we can break out with a volume, then we can easily see it by the end of the week, 170 or even 120. So this is the second one. The third alerts for this week is blue. As you can see, blue already was there in 115 in Friday. Because of the same issue, we can see 1 2 3 4 5 points of support with a nice tails over here, so we can see the bounce, and it, in my opinion, it's only started the bounce. So if we can see it breaking the 120 and 36 cents, then we can go to 126 or even 127, 128. So this is the three alerts. You can see a nice graph over here, a nice chart over here. Went down, then just went back up from this level, and now it's starting to go back up. Maybe it's of course all depends on the market condition. Please be careful with this trading in this, especially in next week. I mean, there is a lot of uncertainty around the markets, and I just want to give you an opinion, and just be careful. That's all I can tell you, and of course I don't need to give any other I don't want to talk about my past result, but they are just amazing. We had OSTK, Yeti, we had a lot of great alerts, and I hope these three alerts also can be a great success. I don't know, I hope so. I mean, all of them looks great, but of course it's all related to the market. So trade safe. If you like our videos and content, please subscribe, please like us, and tell your friends, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.